Stephanie and welcome to our channel. We are the Just Gotta Knows, and so today I am going to do a video on cleaning some purses. So in one of my other videos I did a video on a ThredUp unboxing where I got some name brand purses and some of them were dirty. So I went and asked for help and some people gave me suggestions, and I also went and looked at some videos on how to clean. And so there was a lot of different ways to do it. And so one of the ways that was most popular were people using like a multi-purpose cleaner, like a foaming cleaner for upholstery and different stuff. So I'm going to try that. So I have the Tory Burch one. I don't even know if it's going to work on this material because I don't even know what this material is. I'm not sure. But we are going to try this purse out because if this one like messes up, then that's fine. It's the most dirty. So I also have a Coach one here which has some small little specks, so we're just going to kind of work with that. Okay, so it does say on the, I also got Tough Stuff. There was a bunch of different brands, but this is just the one that was, I'm ordering all my stuff through Amazon, so this is what could get here fastest. So it just kind of tells you to shake well, hold the can upright, let the foam work for 30 to 40 seconds, and then scrub it with a damp cloth or sponge or brush if required. Wipe clean with dry cloth. To avoid spotting, wipe away overspray from glass or car finish before it dries. We're not working with the car. It also kind of recommends for you to use gloves, but I don't have any, so we're just going to go with the flow. So this is mainly, doesn't really have any spots. I mean, it's just like older, but the inside is what has the grossness. You can kind of see that this just has, I don't even know what it is. I'm assuming something melted in here, but anyways, I don't know if this works on this material. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. This may end up being a fail. So I'm just gonna kind of soak it. Let's just do the whole thing while we're at it. Let it soak for a couple of seconds. We're gonna flip it to the other side because there's more gunky stuff over here. You can kind of still see like where it looks like whatever, but I want to see if it's still white. So we're just gonna let this dry. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try this baby on. First, we're gonna try to get this little speck out. So let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna let it soak. I'm scared I'm gonna ruin this purse. It's pretty much gone. So you can see that it's a little dirty right here, so we're gonna focus on that. It's gone, guys. This baby works. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the whole purse. Can you tell? I mean, you probably can't tell. It's kind of wet still, but. So we're gonna, you can see here, there's some like dirty spots. There's like some speck, there's a speck right there, a small one. There's another one right here by the C. I mean, this wasn't that dirty of a purse to begin with. Okay, looking at it now, you can kind of see there's not that many. I mean, it looks wet, but like the speckles, I mean, it's pretty clean. Okay, let's go to the front. Front side, you can see this spot. It looks a little dingy right here. I'm scared that it's gonna make that worse. This is just wet. That's why you see it stained there. Let's try to get this clean. Okay, so right here we have the speck, which you can't really see. It would have been right there. The speck is maybe lightly there. The dinginess around here kind of went away. I mean, this works. Okay, so next we're gonna do this Dunienberg. You can see that it's dirty. Well, I can tell. Can you see this one? Okay, so on the bottom, you're gonna see that it's, you can't really tell. Great. Do you see this? Yes, you see that? There's a stain right here. There's another stain here you can see around the edges. So we're gonna try this. It's really dirty over here. So I kind of didn't get all the stains out. They're still lightly there. Like you can see this, you can see this. You can still see this a little bit right here. This is still dirty because it really didn't soak. I really didn't scrub it. We're gonna try doing it again. Was a little bit more dirty on the bottom, so you can kind of see it didn't get everything out because I guess they were just really stained. Like up here you can kind of still see this mark. It's not as dark. I really didn't get this area because it's in a corner and I didn't really try. Also there was a stain here, down here, like a black stain. I can't find it, but it was right here on this D because you can kind of see it lightly. I can. There's still a little speck right there. There's still a little speck right here. So maybe if I was to go over it again one more time, it would get it out. Okay, kind of finished everything. So this was like out to dry, and you can kind of see like it did a very good job on this. Like the bottom, you can't even tell where the stains were. I can. I know there was some down here. It was dirty. The back, maybe a small little speck there. But maybe if I was to go another round, I'd probably get that out. But it did a really good job. I didn't finish the Dunienberg because I was getting hot. It's getting hot and it's late. and I'm trying to take a shower. It's like 11:20 at night. But it did get out most of the big stains. There are still a couple of little speckles, but they're not as dark. And this is still wet, so I don't know what this is gonna look like when it dries off. And then my first one, it's still a little damp. Like this is lighter because I didn't wet it. So, I mean, like it didn't get material, like whatever, but it's still kind of wet. So if it ends up white, I'll take a picture and insert it. But if not, then it did a good job and it cleaned. And I even did the outside, but the outside wasn't really dirty. But it looks darker. I don't know. I like it. Okay guys, so Tough Stuff and a rag is all it takes to kind of get some stains out of your purses if you have some that have a lot of stains, or you know, when you put it on the floor the bottom gets dirty. So hope this helps you clean your purses. I know mine, those aren't my purses. I got them from a mystery box, like a threaded mystery box, and I was trying to sell them on Poshmark. So I'm hoping that by cleaning them, they don't look as dirty and dingy. I will maybe be able to flip it for a couple more bucks than selling them with stains. Or maybe with the stains, they would stay in my closet a lot longer than if I was to clean it. So, I mean, this was only like 10 bucks for 2 bottles, I think. I don't know what I paid. I spent $11.95, and that's with tax, and I mean, I got Amazon Prime, so it came free. So $11.85 for 2 big bottles. So I don't know what else I'm gonna clean because I have a lot of this, but not a bad deal. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. So thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.